Want to boost your coding skills and make a real impact? Okay, let's jump into contributing to popular GitHub repositories. First, find a repository you're interested in. Ideally one with issues labeled good. First issue. To get started, click the fork button to create your own copy of the repository, your GitHub account. This is where you'll make your changes. Next, you'll need to clone the forked repository to your local machine. The command to clone can be easily found on the repository's main page. Navigate to the repository on your computer using your terminal. Create a new branch for your specific changes. This helps organize your work and ensures your changes are isolated from others. In your new branch, let's make those awesome changes. Open the files in your preferred code editor, fix that bug, add that new feature, or update the documentation. Once you're done, save your changes. Now, it's time to stage and commit your changes. Stage the modified files, providing Git with instructions of which files should be included in your commit. Write a clear and concise commit message explaining what changes you made. Push your changes to your forked repository on GitHub. Go back to the original repository on GitHub and create a pull request. This formally asks the maintainers to incorporate your changes. In your pull request, write a detailed description of your changes, referencing any related issues. Be patient and responsive to feedback from maintainers. They may ask you to make further changes before merging your contribution. Finally, always read and adhere to the repository's contribution guidelines. Different repos have different structures. Follow the coding style used by the project and stay consistent with the code that's already there. Congratulations, you now have contributed to the global open source community.